Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to enhance your YouTube channel with engaging, high-quality videos. Whether you're looking to grow your audience, improve your video content, or just get started on YouTube, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you need to set up your YouTube channel. If you don't have a channel yet, here's how to create one. Go to YouTube and click on the user icon in the top right corner. Select Your Channel from the drop-down menu. Click Create Channel, and you'll be guided through the setup process. Make sure to choose a compelling channel name and add a professional profile picture. With your channel set up, it's time to plan your content. Think about the topics you want to cover and create a content calendar. Consistency is key, so plan your uploads and stick to a schedule. Research trending topics in your niche and consider what your audience wants to see. The more relevant your content, the more engagement you'll get. Now let's get into creating your videos. Here are some tips for producing high-quality content. Invest in good equipment. Use a decent camera and microphone to ensure your video and audio are clear. Even if you're starting small, good equipment makes a big difference. Lighting. Ensure you have proper lighting. Natural light is great, but if you're filming indoors, consider investing in softbox lights or ring lights. Thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails. This is often the first thing viewers see, so make sure it's compelling and relevant to the video content. Titles and descriptions. Write clear and enticing titles. The description should summarize the video content and include relevant keywords for better search visibility. Optimization is crucial for reaching a broader audience. Here's how to optimize your videos. SEO: use keywords in your video title, description, and tags. This helps your video appear in search results. Engagement. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Engaging with your audience builds a community and boosts your video's visibility. Playlists. Create playlists to group similar videos together. This keeps viewers on your channel longer and improves watch time. Promotion is key to growing your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other creators, and consider using paid promotions if you have the budget. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts to build a loyal following. And there you have it, a complete guide to enhancing your YouTube channel. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at Pluscoin_in.